Welcome to my Focus YouTube channel. In this video, I'm focusing on the letter B sound. B, B. When the B sound is produced correctly, a small puff of air is released from the mouth. Hold your hand in front of your lips so that you can feel the air. B, B. Here, the vocal cord vibrates. Practice with me again. B, 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 B. Let us see some examples for B sound. Beginning sound for the letter B. Bridge, better, behavior, brain, bread, bubbles. Now the B sound in the middle of the word. Bubbles, about, habit, number, possible, double. Let us also see the B sound as the final position. Cab, tab, hub, grab, club, web. Now let us practice the sound B in a short poem. Bubbles. Bubbles floating all around. Bubbles flat and bubbles round. Bubbles on my toes and nose. Blow a bubble up, it goes. Bubbles floating all around. Bubbles falling to the ground. Hope you enjoyed practicing the sound B. Continue practicing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.